we're going to make an epic blueberry syrup for our pancakes real quick. Hi, I'm Laura, and on my channel, I share quick videos like this one. So if that's your jam, subscribe for more. This blueberry pancake syrup can be made with fresh berries, which I've already washed. I'll show you how in another video. Or you can use frozen blueberries if that's all you've got. I'm gonna be using a small-ish 2-quart pot to make the syrup. This recipe uses sugar or honey, whichever one you have on hand. To the pot, I'm going to add my water, then my sugar or honey, and my blueberries. I'm gonna give them a quick stir and bring them to a boil. When you see the liquid bubbling and boiling, you're gonna wanna reduce the heat to medium-low so it doesn't boil over and you don't burn your syrup. From time to time, come back to your blueberry syrup and give it a stir. As the blueberries cook down, the skin starts to separate and peel off. They're starting to get soft and juicy, and this is when our blueberry syrup really gets going. After 10 minutes, you'll notice that the liquid has reduced significantly in the pot and the blueberries are soft and very wrinkly. The final step is to take a small dish with some water and some cornstarch and make a slurry. I'm gonna mix it separately, and then I'm gonna take that slurry and add it to my syrup and give it a good stir so it all mixes in really well. Now I'm gonna turn off my heat and let it sit for about 5 minutes, but just right now it already looks very much like a syrup, and let me show you what it looks like after 5 minutes of sitting in the pot so that it thickens up. Now, if you want blueberry syrup that's nice and smooth without the berry tidbits, you can pour it into a blender and blend it up until it's nice and smooth. And then you're gonna wanna transfer that into a jar or storage container and use it right away. And then leftovers, once they've cooled down, you can store them in the fridge for up to a week. Just like that, you've made the most incredible blueberry syrup for your pancakes. Let me know how much you enjoy them and watch this epic video next.